Hi guys! Meron akong makeup tutorial ngayon, pero hindi ko i-makeup ang sarili ko. Iba. Are you ready to meet the person na i-makeupan ko?
Hello! Hi guys!
Are you ready?
Okay.
Siyempre, malinis mo na dapat na.
Malinis ang face ko. Okay. Ayan yung primer.
Moisturizer
Yung
yan. Bad ka pala. Joke. Ang talaga. Bastos ka! Close your eyes.
Putot.
I'm gonna put primer. Samok ka. Do not disturb me.
There's putot primer on my face.
What putot?
Maliit yan, diba? Hindi maliit na primer, maliit na amount of primer.
Sabad ka, Gedya?
Putot.
Quiet. Cute. Samok. Behave.
Okay, sorry.
Okay, how do you like your primer?
I don't know the difference. Ooh, may difference.
Ay, naku, love ko.
I woke up like this. Iba na itsura ng eyes ko. Love ha.
Okay.
Mukha siya.
Makeup lang yan. Babalik din yan. Kunwari, nabawasan ko.
Sabad.
So, I'm gonna put a lot of powder in your eyes. So, you have to close your eyes. Kasi baka malagyan yung mata mo. Close your eyes! Makasukan. We'll put highlight mo. Okay? I'll put pink. I love you.
Love you.
Close your eyes. Please. Ulit ka nga.
No!
You have to close your eyes and do not move. Relax ka lang. Huwag ka mag-move.
Kala ko,
Father lang.
wait lang ilalagay sa akin.
Blend ko lang. Add more
Kilay?
eyeliner
Kala ko kilay.
para hindi halata na face.
Stop laughing.
Ha?
You're laughing.
Ay, sorry. Kayo na?
Ano to? Tagal pa to, no?
Chill ka lang. Tingnan mo na. Baka umiyak ka. Smile. Smile. Wala pala masyadong lashes sa baba. Why?
What have you done to my kilay?
I don't like it.
No, ang good. Pinakover mo siya. Para lumipis.
The Helena, my favorite. How do you like your look, no? Just put your wig. Oh my God! Oh my God! Boy! Salamat kayo, guys! Please subscribe sa aking YouTube channel for more tips and kalokohan. Sana.